Winnipeg has been hit by a heat wave. Due to the sun, we'll be right back for the airing. Please wait until the sun will be over. Head around at 10 p.m. in the Remember, if you tell your children, just remember, you to go in at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. Please wait until we come back. Please wait until we come back. Please wait. Please wait. Please wait until I come back to the Henry. A coronation, this airing will be airing in around at 2 p.m. We'll be right back to the broadcast. Please stand by. We'll be right back. Right now.
It's a map! But there's no note. Just an